Do you use Canva websites? Well, did you know that you can add an AI chatbot? Well, let me show you how with Jotform. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you use Canva websites, you can absolutely add a Jotform AI agent to your website to help answer questions when you are not available. So as you can see, I have just chosen a template for a website, and I chose a hotel one. In order to get an AI agent, over on the left-hand side, we're going to choose apps. Then I'm going to do a quick search for Jotform. And we can see Jotform AI Chatbot right here. We're going to choose this very first one, the purple with the white pencil. We'll go ahead and open. And what's great about this is you don't have to be connected to your Jotform account just yet. We can always create an AI chatbot before even being connected. So let's see what that looks like. So you can see that it's reading our design, processing the content that's on my website, and it's going to create an AI agent for me. So we can see this is Willow. She is our concierge agent, and we can see the color scheme here. If we want, we can change that to fit our website. And then of course we can also choose the advanced settings, and that's going to take us over into Jotform. So if we want to change any of these here, we can, but let's go ahead and choose advanced setting. We can see it's going to open our AI agent in a new tab. And you can see down in the bottom right-hand corner, there is a red warning message, and it says, be careful, this agent belongs to guest because I haven't signed in yet with Canva. So you can see what the chatbot's going to look like right here. But the main thing is coming over here to the train tab. And this is where you're going to want to add in all the information that you want your AI agent to utilize. Now I'm going to go back. Let's go back over to our Canva website. I am going to remove Willow. Let's go ahead and delete. And I'm going to connect to my Jotform. And we can see all of the chatbots that I have created in my account. So I'm going to delete Willow right here. And I'm going to use Julie, my customer experience advisor. She is one that is geared towards hotels. And I'll show you that once we get over into the advanced settings. And I'm going to go ahead and move her here to the right-hand side. But let's jump over to the advanced settings and let's look at what that training looks like on the back end. So you probably know that AI agents are only as good as the information that you give it. So here you can see we have Salesforce articles that it's pulling from. Knowledge base is going to be anything that you want to type in. So copy and paste from other places and get that information in. Files is going to be PDFs, guides, manuals, anything that you can give it there. Link is going to be your website. So here you can add your root domain. So just for example, jotform.com, you'll choose crawl, and Jotform is going to look at that domain and all of the pages that it has, and it's going to give you a list of all the ones that are available, and you can choose multiples for it to crawl. It's not going to crawl just that root domain. It can also crawl /about, /contact, /FAQ. You can have multiple ones within there. All right, we also have Q&A. So if you know that you're going to get very specific questions coming into your AI agent, you can put each specific Q&A in here. Also, if you have a YouTube channel that you would like for it to pull from, you can put that here. Or if you use Zendesk or Freshdesk, you can put those knowledge bases in here. Now there's some other things over on the left-hand side that will power up your AI agent. So we have actions. This is like conditional logic. So if someone talks about this, show them this. If someone mentions this, don't talk about this. Lots of different things that you can do from in here. So you can see when a conversation starts, when they provide, when the date is. What would you like for your AI agent to do? Next, we have tools. This is kind of like integration. So what automations would you like your AI agent to do? If your users are going to be giving pictures or uploading documents to your AI agent, you can have those go to cloud storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box. If you're wanting them to choose a date, you can integrate things like Google Calendar. There's lots of different things in here that you can do. On the left-hand side, if you would like for them to fill out forms for you, you can have everything in here. And it really is as simple as that. So let's go ahead and go back over to our business website. Let's go ahead and publish again. All right, let's go ahead and visit our website and let's give Julia a test. Let's go ahead and get started. So let's do, how far are you from the Golden Bridge? That was one of those Q&As that I put in there, so it should pull directly from that. All right, roughly 4 miles, perfect. So now let's do, can I bring a pet? All right, we can bring a pet. Also talks about that pet fee. Let's see, I'd like to get married at your hotel. Let's see if it pulls anything for that. All right, so it is pulling from the tools that we had. One of the tools was to show a presentation when anyone talked about weddings or getting married. So here is an interactive presentation that was actually done by AI within our AI agent. Lots of really amazing things that you can do with AI agents within Jotform. And it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to use our AI agent with your Canva website, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get a notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.